Giuseppe Garibaldi.
Good afternoon, Mr. Garibaldi.
I'm so glad that you invited me to our talk show.
Wait! Who are you? Why are you here?
What?
I was called to have an interview here. So why are you here?
Oh, it seems that you have two Garibaldis.
Who is the real Garibaldi?
Can you prove it?
Let's start.
I'm the real Garibaldi because I'm also known to be the sword of Italian unification.
I aim to. I wanted to unify Italy with the Republican form of government.
Lambot na lambot si
Oh,
Joey.
really? Sounds interesting.
Give us some information.
I formed volunteer army over 1,000 soldiers. Named for the color of their uniform.
I aim to attack the two Sicilies and drive out the Bourbon leader.
Kung galalapa.
I conquered Sicily and entered the Naples in triumph.
Sorry, I'm late. Who are you? You two.
They are the two Garibaldi.
No, I am the real Garibaldi.
Can you prove it?
Because I learned Muay Thai
Walang
from
basahan.
I turned attention to Rome and Papal States. Under French protection, Cavour convinced me to turn over the Sicily and Naples to Victor Emmanuel. By the end of 1866,
Kaya mo na si Sir.
Sardinia had annexed
Abilia ko muna sa
Sicily, Naples, and two outlying Papal province.
Oh, I think we learned a lot to you.
But who is the real Garibaldi?
George. The bald one.
Ako si Giuseppe Garibaldi, pinagkain lahat sa...
Ako si Garibaldi, binigay lahat sa akin.
Ako si Garibaldi. Pantay lang.
That's it.
Garibaldi. Garibaldi pa.